Today was a day of Ram Navami. We have many Ram deities in Islam. Mainly, say, in India we have in Delhi and Bombay. We have also in Washington D.C., also in Lima, Peru, and in Nova Brazil. They say that Prabhupada said that Lord Ramchandra visited South America with Lakshman on the back of Hanuman. So in Cusco, Peru, there's a monkey temple on there. So I was listening to one lecture by Prabhupada. He said that Lord Ram was, that all the avatars, starting from Ram, Adisu, they're all coming from Krishna. And you know that Lord Caitanya, he had his six-handed form. That's called the subtle roots. And there was two hands Krishna going with fruit, two hands of Lord Caitanya carrying a danda and a kamandalu, and two hands carrying a bow and arrow. So in Jagannath Lila, he's connected to the Ram Lila and also the Krishna Lila. Also in the Navadip Parikrama, there in the Madhudamri, it has Lord Ram, and he's smiling. He is smiling. Ha ha! Ha ha! Then Sita said, "Why are you laughing?" He said, "Well, in Kali Yuga, in my Lila, you get banished to the forest, and I worship a golden form of you. And in Kali Yuga, I take sannyas, and I get banished to the forest, and you worship a golden form of me." But Sita was not happy with this utterance of the Lord. We also know that Prabhupada, he said that Lord Ram was trained as a Kshatriya, and he glorified the Kshatriyas for their chivalry, their strict adherence to their word, and their like the Kshatriya spirit. And if they're challenged, they have to accept. So, like that, Dasharatha, he had three wives, Kausalya, Kaikeya, Sumitra. Kaikeya had saved his life, so he offered her two boons. She said, "I don't need now, but when I need, I'll ask you." So the day before the the ordination of Lord Ram, Kaikeya approached Dasharatha, and she said, "Remember you promised me two boons?" So the Prabhupada said she was very diplomatic. So she said, "Instead of Ram, I want to have my son Bharat established on the throne." And Prabhupada said that the women's nature was a competition amongst each other. She was the youngest queen, and Kausalya was the eldest. Kausalya's son Ram should be the king, but Kaikeya wanted Bharat. So she said, "You install Bharat instead of Ram." So Dasharatha said, "Okay." But she knew that, well, maybe he'll install Bharat, but Ram can come, and after a few days he'll take over. So she also asked that Ram be banished to the forest for 14 years. This was very hard for King Dasharatha, but because he gave his word, he had to follow. And because he asked Ram also took his father's word very seriously, and he accepted like that. we should also, Prabhupada said that he was very much dedicated to following the order of his Guru. So we should also carry out the order of our Guru. We should carry out the order of Prabhupada, who is our founder Acharya, and how Rama, he took his father's words so seriously. We should also take the words of our Guru Prabhupada very seriously.